Yes, sir. Magandang umaga po. Sir, how big a loss is Vice President Sara Duterte from your cabinet? And ano po yung napag-usapan niyo? What was the reason given by her? Bakit po siya nag-resign?
She didn't give any reasons. I asked her if there were any particular reasons why she has chosen to resign from the Department of Education and from the FDFL. And she said, "Huwag na lang natin pag-usapan." So I did not force the issue. Well, you know, we have to carry on, and the Department of Education is quite possibly, arguably, the most important department because education is that important. So no matter the change of leadership within the department, we still have to carry on. So we are now, I will probably be able, I would like to be able to announce the appointment of the new Deputy Secretary by the end of the week.
Sir, ilan po yung pinakonsider natin?
Ba't kaya naman? We cannot leave it open. Importante yung trabaho nila. We cannot just leave it like that na nakatiwang na walang secretary. Kaya minamadali ko lahat. Sinasabi ko, bigyan nyo ng maraming pangalan. Anong gusto natin? What do we need? Tignan natin na mabuti ulit where the status of the DepEd. What is now required? Ano pa ba ang kailangan gawin? So, what do we need? We need an educator? Do we need an administrator? Do we need an accountant? What do we need? And that's what we're trying to determine.